Natural pest regulation. Farmscaping functions as a biological control system by attracting predatory insects like ladybugs, hoverflies, and parasitic wasps to manage pest populations naturally. Reduced chemical dependency. By fostering a self-sustaining defense system, farmers can significantly decrease their reliance on synthetic pesticides, lowering both environmental impact and operational costs. Enhanced biodiversity. Planting a diverse mix of native flowers and herbs creates a resilient ecosystem that supports a wide array of beneficial species. Targeted habitat creation. Specific plants serve different purposes. For example, sweet alyssum effectively attracts ladybugs, while herbs like dill and fennel provide essential shelter and food for various predators. Optimized crop protection. Because the beneficial insect population is established within the field, the natural software is ready to defend the harvest immediately upon the arrival of crop-damaging pests. Efficiency of predators. Beneficial insects, particularly young ladybugs, which consume significantly more aphids than their adult counterparts, provide highly efficient, continuous pest control. Long-term sustainability. This method promotes healthier soil and crops, contributing to a more sustainable and economically viable model for modern agriculture.
Subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more videos.